Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As you can see here, we are back again with a popular DT99 Smartwatch, a lightweight, slim smartwatch from the company DT1. And we also have here the M18 Smartwatch with a minimalist look, lightweight, and with much smaller form factor. So we are going to compare the design, okay, the looks of the smartwatches as well as the menus and features offered on both wearables. So if you have any question regarding the DT99 or the M18 or about this video, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have the time. Okay, let's start and check on the design of these smartwatches. As you can see here, obviously, the DT99 do have a much bigger body frame compared with our M18 smartwatch here. Okay, so it's very different in terms of design. The M18 do have a much smaller body frame compared to the DT99. Minimalist smartwatch for M18. So we have the typical setup or design for the M18 smartwatch. Okay, rounded edge, curved corner with a PC back material. Okay, as well as the frame. Okay, it is plastic. While for the DT99, we have a PC back cover here, but we do have an elegant metal frame. I think it is an aluminum alloy or zinc alloy body frame. It is lightweight and with a fashionable, trendy design. Okay, so let's have it side by side, as you can see. So it's a win here for DT99 in terms of design. But if you prefer a minimalist smartwatch, I guess you might go for the M18 instead of the DT99. Okay, when it comes to thickness, okay, despite the size of the DT99, it is far slimmer compared to the M18 or the T16 smartwatch. Both employ a quick release pin of the strap for easy replacement. Okay, so which do you prefer in terms of the design? For me, I'll go with the DT99 smartwatch. Okay, seems like the DT99 is much lighter for me, I think. Okay, in terms of weight. Again, let's have a closer look at the design here. Okay, so let's go for the menus and features offered for these smartwatches. Okay, on top, let's see, we have the quick menus or quick settings, the same with the DT99 here. On the bottom part, we have the menu, while for the M18, let's see, we have the notifications. On the other side, we have the split screen menu, the same with the DT99. On the right side, we have the different menus and functions, okay, the main features. Okay, so different features here. You can also add components here. For the DT99, you don't have an option to add components. Okay, I like the UI here for the automatic activity tracking here on the M18 compared to the DT99. Okay, it's much better in terms of design. Okay, for the menus, let's see what are the offered menus. Okay, so we have here, we have the sports, okay, heart rate monitoring, blood pressure, blood oxygen. We have sleep monitoring here. They almost have the same features here. We also have the Bluetooth phone call. Okay, it's just arranged in different order, I think, but still they have the same features here. We'll check on the sports later on if they have the same number of sports. We also have music control. We also have it here. It also support push notifications, stopwatch, breath training, physiological cycle for women. Okay. Except for the DT99, we do have a compass support. Okay, emergency contacts. And we also have a religious time here. Breath training, air pressure. And the other one is the App Store. You can download additional apps for your smartwatch. Okay, more. Let's see. So we have here timer, find phone, QR code. Basic setup again for the M18 compared to the DT99. DT99 do have an additional features. Okay, let's go with the settings. Menu style. Yes, we also have it here, I think. Vibration intensity. Screen settings here. Power saving mode. So there's a lot of options here for the settings and on the M18. Okay, we also have screen durations and dial. Okay, menu style. Let's see. We have 4 menu style. We have it here. I think we also have it here. Okay. Let's see. Settings. I just don't remember if what is the location for the menu style for the DT99. But we have that feature here, I think. Okay, we have it here. Okay. For style, we have 8 style. So double of that of the M18 Smartwatch. Go back. Go back. Okay, let's go with the sports function here. Okay, very smooth for the DT99 here when it comes to swiping on the screen display. Fitness data, sports. So we have here some sports, outdoor sports, indoor, swim, cycle. Okay. The M18 also do have a very comprehensive sports function. We will not enumerate each, okay? But seems like, okay, the M18 is able to compete with the DT99 when it comes to the list of sports function. Of course, the DT99 do have a much better sports, okay, or listed number of sports here. Okay, but still the M18 do have a good sports function, as you can see here. Okay, go back. Okay, as you can see here, it's not that responsive. Okay, we're already out. Okay, I thought we are still inside the sports function. So we have here the blood pressure. Let's check. BP. We also have a ECG here for the DT99, but I don't know if it's accurate or not. Okay, both do have a blood pressure monitoring, blood oxygen. Okay, also have calendar, music control. So almost the same UI. Sleep monitoring, alarm, stopwatch, my QR code, compass. Okay, that's it for the different menus, comparison of menus and features for both smartwatches. Again, let's have a look again on the different menus and features for each smartwatch. Okay, so they almost have the same features, but there's some additional features on the DT99 compared to the M18, also known as the T16 smartwatch. Okay, So let's shut it down. Okay. Okay, so that's it for the DT99 Smartwatch and the M18 Smartwatch, also known as the T16 Smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding, oops, I think I accidentally pressed it. If you have any questions regarding the comparison review, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.